Hello, kids. Today we are going to do a new story that is The Ugly Duckling. बहुत बार आप लोग स्कूल जाते हो, आपके फ्रेंड्स होते हैं. कुछ फ्रेंड्स बहुत स्मार्ट होते हैं, कुछ फ्रेंड्स बहुत स्मार्ट नहीं होते, बट वो पढ़ाई में बहुत अच्छे होते हैं या फिर उनकी ड्राइंग बहुत अच्छी होती है. दे माइट बी गुड सिंगर्स और डांसर्स. सो नोबडी इज अगली. हर कोई सुंदर होता है. एवरीबडी इज ब्यूटिफुल. And this story we are going to do today is about an ugly duckling. जिसे सब अगली समझते थे, but वो अगली था नहीं. So now I will share the story with you. And जैसे मैं नरेट करूँगी, हम लोग साथ साथ उस स्टोरी के पिक्चर्स भी देखेंगे और वर्ड्स भी. Okay? So our story is The Ugly Duckling. Once upon a time, a beautiful duck was sitting on 7 eggs. She wanted to hatch them. After many days, each egg started to crack. One by one, 6 yellow chicks came out. The proud mother was very happy. The 7th egg was larger than the others. It took a little longer to hatch. When the chick emerged, he was large and grey in color. So, this beautiful duck had given 7 eggs and she used to sit on them. आपको पता है birds eggs पर बैठते हैं, उनको warm करते हैं और तब eggs hatch होते हैं और उनमें से छोटे छोटे beautiful chicks निकलते हैं birds के. So, this duck had 7 eggs. Out of 6, she got yellow chicks and one was large and grey in color. Mother duck wondered whether the last egg was hers. Now all the other chicks were yellow, but this one chick was large and grey. So the mother duck thought, is this my chick? But she decided to take him also for swimming the following day. But she took all her 7 chicks for swimming. When all the 6 ducklings swam well, the 7th grey duckling swam better. The mother duck loved him as did her other ducklings. और सभी ducklings और duck, they loved this grey duck. The duck from the other brood saw the ugly duckling. Now because this little duck, the little duckling, was grey in color, it was not yellow as others. The other animals said that it was an ugly duckling. They did not want the ugly duckling to stay in their area. And the animals, they hated him. They did not like him. Mother duck took pride in his swimming skills. Mother duck was very happy with the swimming of the little grey chick. She told the other ducks, leave him alone. What did she say? She said, leave him alone. He's my child. The ugly duckling tolerated the rude behavior of ducks from the other brood as well as other animals. All the other animals, all the other duck did not like him. And they called him ugly duckling. Why? Because he was not yellow as them. But his own brothers and sisters teased him. And later, his own brother and sister started teasing him. So he became sad. One day, he left his mother's home and wandered into the woods. And one day when he was very sad, what did it do? It left his home. अपना घर छोड़ के वो बाहर चला गया. He approached some wild ducks living on the moor. So there was a moor, there was a place near a pond where other wild ducks used to live. They also did not befriend him. और वो ducks ने भी उनसे friendship नहीं की. An old lady sheltered him for some days. She wanted the ugly duckling to lay a large number of eggs. After many days, she realized the ugly duckling cannot lay eggs. So this lady, she hoped that she will get some eggs from the duck. But she did not. So the lady sent him away. So she drove him out of the cottage. It was winter. Can you see here? It's all snow. It's winter. It's so cold. What do you do when it's cold? Yes, we wear sweaters. We remain in home. We don't wander outside. But because this ugly duckling was driven away from the lady's cottage and it was winter, the ugly duckling kept himself warm under reeds. Can you see? These plants are called reeds, which are found in cold regions. But he did not have food. He did not have any food to eat. He was hungry. He was very lonely too. He had no friends, no brother, no sister, no mother. He was very alone. As spring came, the ugly duckling felt happy. The winter was over and the season of spring came, and there was what? It was a very pleasant season. He wanted to fly. He spread his wings with joy. Can you see? He's so happy. It's spring everywhere. It's green everywhere. And this ugly duckling wanted to fly. It just spread his wings with joy. He flew to the nearest pond and he landed there with joy. And he flew and went to a nearby pond. He saw a few swans. Instantly, he wanted to reach them and to become their friend. He hesitated. He remembered his ugliness. He hung his head in shame. So, where did he go? He went to a nearby pond and he saw other swans there. They were very beautiful. He wanted to be their friend. He said hello to everyone. And then, but he was very sad because everyone told him that he was very ugly. But then something happened. What happened? He saw a beautiful reflection in the water. Can you see? He can see his reflection in water, and he saw that there was a beautiful bird there. He found a beautiful swan below him. He saw that he was just like the other swans, and he was a beautiful swan himself. He was surprised and finally understood that he belonged to the family of swans. He came to know that he was not a duck himself, he was a swan himself. And the other swans came close to him and said, "You are the most beautiful swan we have ever seen." And they all became his friends. And he himself was a swan, so he belonged to the clan, to the family of swans. And then he remained happily with them as a family of swans. So this was story of ugly duckling. So next time, if you meet someone who is not as smart as you, who is not as pretty as you, उसके कपड़े अच्छे नहीं होंगे शायद, या वो दिखने में अच्छा नहीं होगा, but you should always see what beauty he holds inside himself. वो बच्चा किस चीज़ में अच्छा है? आपका फ्रेंड है, उसकी ड्राइंग अच्छी है, वो अच्छा सिंगर है, वो अच्छा डांसर है, या उसमें क्या अच्छी बात है? हमें हमेशा दूसरों में अच्छाई ढूंढनी है. We should always look for the beauty in the person. We should never ever give scores according to the appearance. We should never give anyone score according to their appearance. We should always look for beauty inside a person. I hope you all like the story and you will always make friends with others without judging them, without finding anything outside beauty. And enjoy the story once again. Have a good day. Bye.